Good morning. Welcome to day 3. Ready and packed up, ready to go back to Cape Town from Apollo de Karoo. Right, we saw all of this yesterday, so I'll stop the video here and carry on once we're out and back onto the, I think it's the the R354, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, R354 is where we're heading, and then from there straight down to the N1. Oh, splash of water. So pretty, this. Wouldn't want to be here when it's flooding through though. Okay, this is officially the last gate. Did I get it right? Oh, just damn. I just guessed that stop. Okay. The final gate. Thank you very much, Apollo de Karoo. Oh wow, it's just rock. Amazing. Such a diversity of water and what is this place? It's so green here. Can't see anything now going into the sun. I'll put my visor down. Bit of water or mud or tiny bit of water. It's quite difficult to see when the sun is directly in your eyes. Okay. Here we are. And we are going right. And I think it's going to be Tar Road the whole way now. All the way back to Cape Town. head towards Touws River. This is all new. Get ahead of that truck. Oh, and it suddenly got very cold. I don't know how well the Action 6 picks up the fog. This is our Touws River stop for fuel at the Total Energies. I'm just gonna put in about $400-500, then go park over there, Mug and Bean, and get a coffee and something to eat. Oh, it's proper thick fog now. It's going to be interesting to see what this looks like back home once I've got this onto a computer and start editing. First stop and go. This section just before coming into Paarl always looks very cool. Nice today with the low hanging clouds. Tunnel. This Acura sounds very cool. Very windy up yet. I have been on the bike a while, so a bit of a leg break, leg stretch will be good. I've not done the Paarl Rock Mountain Pass bit, you know, so that's on the cards pretty soon. I can see the radio tower over there, which is part of the loop to go around, but I'll probably do that in a week or so. For now, let's just get back home safely. It looks like they've resurfaced this road. I don't know if I'm just maybe imagining it or not, but it looks different to me. Maybe someone in the comments can say whether this road was recently resurfaced. It looks resurfaced. This wind is pushing me left to right. As you come around these corners, you get hit by a gust. I don't know if you can see my bike is like doing this. Back into the traffic of Cape Town. It's like these are probably the two most stressful times, is when you're leaving to go on a trip, you're surrounded by all these cars and you just don't know what they're going to do, and then on your way back you've got to go through the same stuff again. The joys thank you everyone for watching this little mini series. I am going to try and do a lot more of these in the very near future, so keep watching. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Until the next time, ride safe, keep well, see you soon.